Hi guys, today we are going to make mixture without flour. Let's begin the topic. Take some pasta according to your requirement. Then boil it for few minutes. After that, strain the water using the strainer and let it cool. After that, you have to take the frying pan and heat it up. Then add some oil. You have to wait until this oil heated up like this, and then you have to add the pasta. When this thing turned into this iodine brown color, you have to take it out and let them cool. Then take some garlic and peel it out. Then you have to fry this garlic in this hot oil. Then grab the nuts you have and fry it out as well. I used hazelnut and walnut since they are my favorite. After frying, you have to take them out and let them cool. This is the mixture that we made, and now we are going to add the fried garlic and the nuts. After that, we have to add some salt, plain chili powder, and some curry leaf powder according to our preference. Let's mix it out. Finally, it's time to serve. Guys, please try this in your home and let me know the comments. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye.